Hey guys, what's up? Good noon, good after morning, good noon, whatever the fuck. I look like shit. Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock. I still look like this. Been contemplating filming all day, but I know you guys really wanted to see this video, so here I am. If you know me, I'm super slow. I take forever to do my makeup because it's always like 2 hours full glam. Under an hour? That is amazing. I've been doing this almost every day for like 2 weeks, so I really have it down to a T. I'm gonna show you guys and exactly what I do to make it faster, but yet still full coverage, glam, and still J-root. Yes, I took my nails off. I don't even know what was going on. You guys saw in my story, the acrylic just kept breaking. If I even like went like this, it would like break off. So I was like, I'm done. So yeah, let's just jump right in and I'll show you guys. I also got these like cute bags. They came in like a series of like, I think 4 or 5 bags. I'm obsessed. Alright, so per the usual, I'm still gonna start with my brows. This look, if I'm moving quickly, takes me about 40 minutes. My boyfriend is always like, I bet you can't do under an hour, and I finally have made it under an hour. So I'm super happy about that because he's always rushing me. So I haven't changed anything from my brow routine. I still am using the same stuff. As of now, I'm using the It Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. And it has a spoolie on one side, and then this just rolls up. Look at that skin, though. So what I like to do is I like to just fill the brow in at the tail end where my natural hairs go. And I just quickly fill that in with the pencil. Make my own little, like, arch. I'm literally just following the hairs that I have already. And then I'm going to stop right about here because we don't want to have like a friggin' unibrow. I like to draw little fake hairs in the front to make it look a little more natural. And I realize this looks very boxy, so that's another reason I like to do the fake hair. For that, I'm going to be using my MAC 263 brush. And then I'm going to be using my L'Oreal lacquer liner. This stuff is really nice because it dries down, so my eyebrows aren't like wiping off throughout the day. So once I have the lacquer liner on there, I like to take a nasty little dirty paper towel that I found on the floor, and I'm gonna put it and just flatten it out. Just make flicking motions upward. And then I'm gonna take the spoolie and just kind of like blend out anything that looks a little harsh to me. I'm going to be taking this flat brush from Luxie Cosmetics. And then I'm going to be taking this tan shade from Coastal Scents right here. So I'm just going to take a bunch of that and just carve the underbrow. And this is what we are looking at. Sloppy, classy, chunky, sharp. Guys, now I'm just taking my powder from YC Collection and I'm setting all of that concealer all around my eyes. This does not have to be perfect. It literally is just setting it so it's not wet. Now here's a trick I really love for my eyeshadow. I like to use the Tarte Cosmetics Cameo Contour Stick. And I like to take, this is in the shade medium. It blends so nice and so fast. It is just amazing for when you're in a hurry. Put it on the outer corner of my lid. Just like that. And across my lid. Just kind of stamp it on there so it kind of looks like that. Then I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. It's not too fluffy, so it blends cream out really well. I'm just going to blend that up towards my brow bone. Like, I'm obsessed. It's just so fast. Like, that took me, what, 5 seconds? And I already have gorgeous bronzed eyes. Literally, that's all I do for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take some mascara. It doesn't really matter what it is. Tarte. And I'm just going to coat my upper lashes and get them ready for the falsies. Next is the falsies. I was going to literally throw these out. I dug these out of the trash actually because I was like, I don't think I can wear these one more time. But guess what? we're gonna wear these one more time. These are the Rouge and Rogue lashes. These are the Miss Fury lashes. You guys always ask me about these. These are the ones. So I cleaned them up. I took all the glue off that I could, and also to make them look a little more newer, I don't know, I'm gonna take some eyeliner and blacken them up a bit. Glue can make them look all tacky and white and like not cute and shit, so I'm gonna do that after I put them on. Trick to lashes is if you put the glue on and then put them right on, depending on what the glue is, it's not gonna stay. You just gotta wait for them to get a little tacky. I'm gonna start from the outer, and I'm just kind of stick it there. I'll hold it for just a sec. I could tell it feels a little tacky because it's not coming right off. And then I'm gonna place the other side on as close as I can to the lash line. If you have to pull it down a little bit, do it before it gets too dry. And I'm pinching these together to make my natural lash mix with the fake. Taking a little bit of liquid liner and gonna get this little shitty spot right here. So that's all I'm gonna do for my eyes. I think it's just enough color, and lashes just makes everything pop. So now I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm using the Dermalogica Pore Primer, as always. I put that everywhere. So after I do a pore primer, I like to do another primer that's gonna make the foundation stick really well, and I really have come to like these Farsali Unicorn glitter drops. It's kind of like a little bottle, and I'm sad because I don't want it to be over, but I feel like it's gonna be over soon. If you know me, you know that I love Lancome Tient Idole. I don't know how to say it. I got one, it's a little darker because I am trying to tan my body. My face, I don't tan, so I'm trying to color match with my neck and whatnot. Lancome is just, it's the right foundation if you're trying to cover up anything. It seriously could cover up a murder. Alright you guys, now that we're looking like a friggin' bronze goddess, we're gonna take our YC Collection powder, which comes with this puff, this powder puff, which I'm like loving because it reminds me of when I first started doing makeup, and it reminds me also of my grandma's makeup. It actually helps really well with packing the powder into the pores to make the pores look not so huge. And I go freaking ham with this stuff, you guys. And especially right here where my pores are huge, I'm really just pressing that in. Alright, now for contour, I'm going to be taking the Hoola bronzer from Tarte Cosmetics. Tap some off, and I'm just going to work that into the cheek area with like back and forth motions, just like this, just to bronze up a bit. And I'm also going to take it to the side of my face to make my forehead look a bit smaller. Alright, now I think we need a little blush because this look is like, it needs something bright to it. I'm going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics blush. Oh my god, it's like the perfect pop of color. I love that bright pink. The last step that I do is lipstick obvi. I use the Tarte lip paint. It like feels minty on the skin. It's weird. Feels minty, like it doesn't taste minty. It feels minty. It's super weird, but I like it. It's like, I don't even know how to explain this lip. I'm obsessed. Do you see what I see? It's perfect. I really like this lip. It is very nice and moisturizing. It's nice and moisturizing. Alright you guys, I'm gonna say the same old thing I always say. I hope you like this tutorial. This is the look. This is easy. I love it. If you have any questions, go to my YouTube. I tell you guys everything. So get out of my DMs. Alright, you guys, I'm getting out of here. I will see you guys next week.